Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need to act now. Check your device and browser compatibility because extensions behave differently on mobile. Open settings to verify Android or iOS version and pick a browser that supports extensions. For Android, choose Kiwi or Yandex. For iOS, prepare to use a browser with built-in support or shortcut workarounds. Once done, enable extensions or add-ons in the chosen browser settings and allow installations from trusted sources. This prevents permission errors and saves time. Now you install and configure Buyhatke. Open the browser's extensions or add-ons manager, then search for Buyhatke or load the CRX file if sideloading is required. You'll see permission prompts. Accept access for page content and tabs so price comparisons work correctly. After installation, open the extension panel and set your country, preferred retailers, and notification frequency. This ensures results match local pricing and avoids irrelevant alerts. Make sure automatic updates are enabled to keep deal logic current. Finish by testing. Navigate to a product page and verify the Buyhatke badge, price history, and coupon suggestions show up. This confirms everything is wired correctly. If something fails, clear cache, restart the browser, and reinstall the extension. These steps resolve most issues quickly. If problems persist, make sure background data and extension permissions are enabled because blocked access often hides features. Finally, keep the extension updated and adjust notification settings so you receive relevant deals without clutter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.